there we go. Yeah. Swim after it. Here we are, hey? Last day here at Lake Taupo, then we go back home tomorrow and then fly back out to Aussie the next day. So today I probably won't do too much recording today. I think I'll just hang out with the fams and spend some quality time, burn around. Hopefully it stays like this all day with the wind down. But what I'll do is I'll show you some stuff about my cousin's dairy farm. So I'll play you guys that footage and yeah, see how it goes. And I'll see you a bit later.
What's up everyone? My name is Ryder. I'm Uncle Daly's nephew and I own a dairy farm.
Remember we got a big bouncy?
We got the cows off the feed pad, now we're pushing them into the cow shed.
Gonna make some noise.
Nah.
Yeah.
Why?
Come on, up.
Oh! Oh! We got about 430 cows and our milking shed's a herringbone shed. This is our maize. We cut it up with the tractor into little pieces and we feed it out to the cows and because it's good for them.
It's like corn.
To eat.
And taste?
This is the maize and palm canoe.
So this is all the stuff we feed to the cows before they go into the shed to be milked. This is from all the maize. Not bad, eh? And then what happens to all of this cow poo?
Into some pipes in our ship pond.
So that vat's full of water and then it pumps all that water out, as you can see, runs down here, cleans out all the cow piss and cow poo, goes all the way down to the ship pond, and then that's where it gets filtered through pipes to go into the ship spreader, which spreads it back over the grass and the paddocks. Hey, it's all recycled, eh? This is real good for the grass. What do you reckon, Ryder?
Yeah. The pouring water comes through this pipe. These are the arms, they spit out the poo and make the grass grow. So we get the cows from the feed pad, we get them into our rows, then we put cups on one by one, then the milks go through pipes into the vats, then a truck called a tanker comes and picks it up.
We're chugging on our aprons and gloves, eh? Oh, milking in the crocks even. Your dad is? Is your dad feeding out?
Yeah.
Cup them up, cup them up. You good, Ryder? Hello. Oh, what the? Turn up.
Keep going. Turn the water on.
Now hold it tight. Probably turn it sharper a bit. Hold it tight. Hey, what do you reckon? Oh.
Where do I go? Like this?
Yeah. What? Any good?
That's strong ass. Like pushing me back.
Milking's done now, so what happens is water comes through here, hot water. Comes through this pipe and drops down these hoses that are all hanging down to these. To have these on the end, not sure what they're called. But then you put the cups onto these, turn them on, and it sucks all hot water through to sterilize all the cups and cleans them.
Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you, ladies.
Well, that was a small snippet of my cousin's farm that I used to work on when I was younger. Spent a lot of time out here doing all these jobs and stuff, but learned how to work hard, I think. It's hard work out here on a dairy farm. It's a 24/7 job, this one, no days off, milking every single day. No Christmas off, no New Year's. But anyway, send you back to the lake. Hey? I coked that one. That was me. I tried to spin. I suck. Oh. Yeah, that was cake. Fell off straight away. Practicing. Why not? It's a good day for it. Might as well practice now. Slowly getting better. So here's the setup we're running. Just the fly rod with the fly reel, sinking line, so the line sinks through the water column. Run down the rod a bit, and this is where we connect the line, the green line, to the trace, which is just pretty much leader, mono line, and then connect to the fly. So that's that setup. That's one form of fishing we're doing here, is the fly fishing, which is like one of my favourite because it's hard and it's a workout actually. You get pretty hot, but I'll show you guys the other form of fishing we're doing as well. This is our other setup. We got the jigging rod with a series of flies all connected to it. So you got one here just running off swivels, one breaks off here down to another fly, runs right down to the sinker. So that will sit on the bottom with this fly sitting at about a metre off the bottom, to this fly sitting about 2 metres off the bottom, about that fly sitting about 3 metres off the bottom. And they're all different colours and varieties. Will give you, I don't know, suppose more chance, and then you can tell your mates, like who's fishing on a boat next to you, if you catch one and what colour you caught it on, tell them try that one maybe, or but it all changes, depends on where you're fishing. So we're running that combo too, but it's just like we're going to use that off the paddle board or jet ski or off the boat, and we're just sitting and drifting and whatnot. But those are pretty much the two styles we're running here. There's other options, other styles of fishing for trout. Like we've got this one here, which is a trolling one. This one's a bit more interesting though. So you got this, hold that please. This one connected to the end. You run up a bit, and then it's connected to a fly. And you like troll this, and it's, I think it's to mimic like this one at the back, chasing the fly, and then hopefully trout see it and think, oh, this guy's chasing something, why is he chasing something? And the trout looks up, sees that, comes and takes that, and hopefully another one takes that one. So you can kind of get a 2-in-1, which my granddad, my kuku, caught some dot like that. But this is a trolling rod, we haven't really used this one yet though. But yeah, that's another method of fishing for trout on the lake you can use. All the line is different colour too, so after so many meters it will change colour, so that way you can measure how far your line's out. So let's say every 5 meters the line will change colour. So that's, you just count how much lines are out and that's how much meters it's out. But handy knowing that. Same as a jigging rod, that's got the same. And we all know what this is for, hey? It's for rolling out bread. So when you're making bread, it's like a roller, you smooth the bread out. Now if you're a fisherman, you know what this is for. Just show you the flies that we're using. So most of these are made to like mimic bugs or actual flies or insects that the trout here in Lake Taupo eat. So you got like this one for example, half looks like a bumblebee, to mimic a bumblebee floating in the water. Or this one doesn't look like it now, but it will look like a fly once all the feathers are wet, so it will sit right back. Or you got these real bright coloured ones, yellow, stand out. These ones glow in the dark for that night fishing and whatnot. But it all depends what the trout are biting on. Depends on what bugs are in the water, what they're going for and stuff. So you just got to fish until you figure out which colour they're after. So for example, yesterday we were using mostly those ones. They were catching most of the trout yesterday. But yeah, there's a wide variety and you just got to figure out which one works. Have a look. Yeah, see? It's all
it's
interesting.
A daily bug.
Hey? Yeah, boy. Well, that's us. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. No pressure, all up to you. But anyways, I'll leave you guys with some of the favourite shots from our trip and some of the highlights of the whole time we've been here. But for now, I'm going to send it back because I can smell lunch cooking. Anyway, thanks again everybody. Peace. Holy hecker. Hey?